Hey guys, we've got your baby swing here. It's got your basic controls. I do have it plugged in. It could also be battery powered, so it doesn't need to be plugged in if you want to take it outside with you or whatever the case is. You've got your speeds. It's on number 1 right now. It's pretty quiet. There is a vibration mode down there. And then you've got your music, lullabies, things like that. Let's see if you can hear it there. So you've just got your different ones. And then as well as your white noise sounds, which is super nice. But this thing is awesome. It's got the different holes for as your baby grows, the little mobile, and it's soft here as well. But that is it.